What's up, BUGGZY? What's going on, BUGGZY dogs? Goda. Hey, Goda girl. Hey, Goda girl. What's up, Goda dogs? Hey, Goda dogs. Princess dogs. Slim dogs a deuce. Where you at? Slim. What's up, BUGGZY? Come on, BUGGZY. Let's go, boy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Yeah, go on and play, boy. Go on and play. Hey, Goda. Goda dogs. Come here. How's everybody doing this evening? No, BUGGZY. Come on, man. Let's see. Hopefully everybody's doing good out there. It's a beautiful evening here in San Antonio, Texas. Just let my boy BUGGZY dogs loose here for a sec. He was running wild earlier. Hey, Slim dogs, a deuce, Princess. Hey, Goda. What's up, Goda? Come on, BUGGZY. What's up, boy? What's up? Come on. He ran for about 3-4 hours earlier. I got the back part of my backyard where I'm at right now. It's fenced in. I let him loose for quite a while, some hours when I'm out here working. And about 30 minutes ago, when I put them all away, I have an extra chain that's on this bigger kennel back here that I have that I only use it when I let the chickens out. I only use it because Goda dogs, she's the only one that she's not too fond of the chickens. And when I say she does whatever she can to get out, she literally does whatever she can to get out. BUGGZY and the pups are cool with our chicks. They don't get too crazy. It doesn't bother them. But I'm about to go in there right now and let Goda off of it. I only have to put her on it, like I said, when the chicks are loose. And my daughter just finished putting the chicks away. And BUGGZY, come here. Come on, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Good boy. So my daughter just put them away. And she ran inside. And I'm about to wrap it up out here. Doing my daily cleanup. I do it twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the evening. And I'm doing it a little bit earlier today than later in the evening because we got service tonight. And good boy. And so I'm trying to get it out of the way. So hopefully everybody has a blessed evening. And y'all have a great night. And tomorrow's Thursday. And I'll try to cut a video up for y'all tomorrow. If I don't get too tied up in the evening with my Cowboys watching the game. So God bless.